Half-wave rectification. A step-down transformer connected to the AC source, connected to the load R, allows current to flow in either direction. The input current flows in either direction. Now, let's see on how we can convert this current which flows in either direction to flow in one direction. Point A and point B. A single diode is connected to the circuit. For the first half cycle, A is positive and B is negative. Then the diode is forward biased. The current flows around the circuit formed by a diode. For the second half cycle, A is negative and B is positive. Then the diode is reverse biased. Then no current flows in the circuit. For the next half cycle, A is positive and B is negative. Then the diode is forward biased. Then current flows around the circuit. For another half cycle, A is negative and B is positive. The diode is reverse biased. Then no current flows in the circuit. Then the output current flows in one direction. For the first half cycle, current flows in the circuit. For the second half cycle, no current flows in the circuit. For the next half cycle, current flows in the circuit. For another half cycle, current is not flowing in the circuit, which is what we call half-wave rectification. The voltage is not steady because sometimes current flows in the circuit. Sometimes current is not flowing in the circuit. Sometimes current flows in the circuit. Sometimes no current flows in the circuit. Then voltage should be smoothed for it to be useful, and this action is called smoothing. Smoothing is the action by which voltage output is improved by putting a large capacitor C in parallel with the load. The capacitor is charged during the positive half cycle of the AC when the current flows in the circuit and discharged through the load R in the negative half cycle when no current flows in the circuit.